Good evening, this is Eric Cloudney with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Tuesday, August 10th. And a very eventful day it was. Dow today was down 54.5 points at 10,644. Nasdaq closed at 2277, down 28.5. Volume was a lot heavier than yesterday. Started out very weak this morning after a weaker than expected Chinese imports report, as well as unconfirmed reports that the Chinese bank was considering tightening measures again over their economic policy. And this, of course, led to weakness throughout Asia. Shanghai was down 3%, Hong Kong 1.5%, Europe was down 1%. So then the domestic markets here in the States opened a bit lower, and then there were all sorts of rumors the Fed wouldn't actually do or say anything with their statement today, and we were down 150 Dow points. When the Fed came out, the statement contained language indicating that they're willing to buy debt securities basically as needed. You can say what you will about the long-term ramifications of it. I'll be writing a little bit more about this in the blog in the morning. In the short term, it shows that the Fed is basically at the market's back. Market eradicated all the loss and then sold off a little bit again late. As again, the worries of exactly what's going on here and how much of this action is actually going to take place in the medium term, which is ostensibly zero, is going to actually impact the markets. So for tomorrow, probably be another very choppy day. And offhand, I'd say lower, but it's just a guess at this point. In all sincerity, the overall breadth today was a lot weaker than what the Dow would indicate. So this is why I would say tomorrow's going to be down, considering that Asia and Europe will likely follow Wall Street's lead tonight. But obviously, time will tell, and I trade minute to minute rather than day to day. So you take what I say with a grain of salt. Some things to look at on the positive side: DIS, LDK, JAZZ, and SPWRA are all trading higher in earnings right now. As is HMIN. Amazon closed exactly on a high today. Pretty impressive show of strength there. AMZN. MFLX closed near a high after positive mention of Mad Money last night and also signed a deal with Epix. ZSTN closed near a high after posting earnings. And AEM was featured in Mad Money tonight. On the negative side, CRE, A1, and MYGN are all trading lower in earnings. MR, PEGA, and JAG, as well as MITL, closed near their lows after posting earnings. AMED, MDCI, PMC, ADY, and APC all closed near their lows. And HQS closed near a low after pricing a share offering. Earnings column there tomorrow. Progressively quieter as the season goes on. AVT, CSC, EJ&M before the open. After hours, AAP, A&W, and CSCO is the biggie. With that, I wish all of you a good night, and good luck trading tomorrow.